Hey, welcome to the series of everything you need to know about Python in simplest possible way. The series of pattern printing. So far we have seen so many patterns. In this video we will see how we can actually print this particular pattern. So this pattern is very clear, which is starting with 1 and going till some number, which is continuously increasing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Like that we are having this kind of a pattern which is having the numbers continuous. So let us go ahead and see how we can actually print this pattern or numbers, whatever it is. So for that, what I will be doing is that I will take a variable rows, because in order to keep track of these rows, in order to generate this many number of rows, so we have 5 rows, right? So for that reason, I will take the value of rows as 5. Later, what I will be doing is that we are having continuous numbers starting with 1 going till some number, right? So in order to keep track of those numbers, I will take a variable number. I will assign this number with 1 because we are starting with the value 1, right? So that is what I will be doing. So later, in order to generate these many number of rows, I will use a for loop for I in range. So now we will be generating the range of values, and the range of values should be starting with 1 going till the value of how many numbers that we are having, how many rows we are having, which are 5. So for that reason I will start with 1 and go till the value of rows plus 1. By the functionality of this range, we will be stopped at the value of rows, which is 5. So now we will just print the value I to know what value we are having. We are having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can compare this value I with this pattern. The first row we are having only 1. The second row we are having 2, which we can be used to generate this many number of columns here. We can get one column, two columns in the second row. By the third row, we can generate three columns, one, two, three columns. The fourth row, we have the value 4. We can generate four columns, one, two, three, 4. Like that, we can use these values of y to generate this many number of columns here. So for that, I will use one more for loop to generate those columns for j in range. So now we will be generating those columns. So for that, what I will be doing is that I will start with 1, go till the value of I plus 1, which is nothing but the columns here. So which is nothing but the rows that we are using here. So I will use a colon, and inside of this what I will be doing is that I will print the value j here, and I will first we will print the value j. We can able to get everything in new line. So we will arrange this properly. So for that I will use end space so that we can able to get every line. After that, what I will be doing is that I will print nothing so that we can able to get after once it reaches to the value I here. So we can able to get this particular pattern. So this is not what we wanted. We want the values which are continuous values. So in order to do that, what I will be doing is that instead of printing this particular j, I will be using these numbers here. So by this number, we can actually replacing this particular number in here. So after this, what I will be doing is that we need to modify these numbers, right? This number is keep increasing. So for that, in this for loop, which is inner for loop, I will be increasing these particular numbers by 1. So if I execute this, we are only getting 1. After that, numbers are not defining, so I need to remove this s. If I execute this, we can able to get the exact pattern. That is what we are having in here. So we have got this pattern. I hope you can able to understand this logic to generate this pattern. So if you found any difficulty, I will sincerely suggest you watch the video once again carefully so that you can able to understand. So now what we will be doing is that we will replace these rows and take input dynamically from the user. For that, I am using input and I am asking enter rows here. So now if I execute this and it was asking me to enter rows, let's say I am giving the value 7 here. So we are getting the values here in shape that keeps increasing, having the rows as 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have got the 7 rows. Like that, by using this logic, we can generate this kind of a pattern which generate the continuous values which is in the triangle shape. So I hope you have found this video interesting. If that is true, hit the like button. The next video we will see this particular alphabet pattern. So far in our channel, we have seen the star patterns and the number patterns. The next video onwards, we will be seeing some of the alphabetic patterns. So to stay updated, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notifications to all so that whenever I upload any video, you will get the notification. So thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one.